Welcome to Mendeley video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I, Dr. Suresh Limkar, working as an assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune, will going to explain and demonstrate the installation of MS Word plugin for Mendeley. Contents of this presentation are Introduction to Citation plugin and installation steps for Mendeley MS Word plugin. Before we begin using Mendeley desktop, two important installations have to be done. One is Mendeley web importer, other one is Microsoft Word plugin. Mendeley web importer will help importing references from the web directly to Mendeley, and MS Word plugin links the Mendeley desktop to MS Word from where we can cite and insert bibliography. What is citation plugin? In addition to helping you manage your materials and organize your research, Mendeley can significantly speed up the process of writing your own papers. The citation plugin allows you to quickly and easily cite materials that you have added to your Mendeley library, as well as generating a full bibliography of the materials you have referenced in the paper. Best of all, it allows you to completely restyle all of the references you have inserted into a paper with just a couple of clicks. It is free, simple plugin for Microsoft Word, allows you to quickly and easily insert styled citations to reference materials from your Mendeley library, automatically generates a bibliography for your paper using all the materials you have cited, pick from a huge and growing library of citation styles, and easily restyle all citations in a paper with a few clicks. Installation of citation plugin. Ensure your word processor is closed before attempting to install the plugin. Open the Tools menu from Mendeley desktop and select the appropriate option. Mendeley will detect which word processor you have installed, so the options available to you may vary. The citation tool installs very quickly and will confirm once it finishes. Using the plugin. Once the plugin has been installed, you can open up your word processor. The tool will appear in a different location depending on the software you are using. If you can't see the toolbar, or if you remove it by accident, you can restore it via the View menu and selecting the Mendeley option from the toolbars list. In Microsoft Word, for Windows, the tool can be accessed via the References tab on the ribbon. You should see a new set of tools for the Mendeley Citomatic. Let's have a demo. To install the Microsoft Word plugin, all you have to do is go to Tools in the Mendeley desktop menu bar and click on Install MS Word plugin. Let's see. You need to log in. Go to Tools and install MS Word plugin. Once installed, if you open Word document, you can find a tab reference add-in for Mendeley. It's called as Mendeley Cytomatic. Let's open the Word file. Under the reference tab, you can find here a Mendeley Cytomatic is Microsoft Word plugin is installed. Important note: ensure your word processor is closed before attempting to install the MS Word plugin for Mendeley. To summarize, in this video tutorial, I have covered and demonstrated the installation of Microsoft Word plugin for Mendeley. Thank you.